Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how you guys can actually set up your email sequence for a Clickbank product. Alright, so you guys could actually do this step by step by any type of other Clickbank products that you guys are interested in. But yeah, that's how you guys can actually get started with. You know, in my latest video, I actually helped you guys create a high converting funnel for your Clickbank product. So this is just a continuation of that. So if you guys want to watch that video, just hit the link right here and you guys can actually go watch it. So yeah, before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video. So let's get into my computer real quick. As you can see, it's the same funnel that we're gonna use for that we did in the latest video. So as you can see here, right here is Biode Fit. If you guys want to look it up at ClickFunnels, that's what it's called. So yeah, what you guys want to do is actually set everything up through ClickFunnels and use Getresponse. My recommendation is Getresponse, but you guys could use any other autoresponders that you guys are into, you know, like Aweber, MailChimp, you know, whatever you guys want to use. But my recommendation is Getresponse. If you guys want a free 30-day trial, all you guys got to do is click the link down below. And there's also you actually do not need a credit card when you guys sign up, so that you guys could do this for free just without signing up. All you guys got to do is actually enter your email, your name, and password, and that's basically it. And also you guys will actually have to go and activate it at when they send you an email. So yeah, I'm gonna do this real quick and I'll see you guys on the inside. All right, so I signed up for Getresponse. As you can see here, it says 30 days 30 days for free. You know, you're on the trial. If you guys want to upgrade later on, you know, it's I believe it's $49 a month. No, sorry, $15 a month. But if you guys wanted to do automations, it's actually $49 a month. You know, but you guys could actually use the $15 a month and just send emails automatically. All right, so what you guys want to do is actually go to menu and actually go to automations, okay, and create a new workflow. Okay, after it's gonna say build from scratch, and all you guys gotta do is start now. Okay, and then it's gonna tell you before you begin, you know, it's gonna walk you through everything, but we're gonna turn that off and we're just gonna actually follow along with me, and you guys could actually click on subscribes link. All right, so this is what you guys want. After you guys subscribe it, and what you guys want to do is actually go right here and click a specific list that you guys actually want to send it out to. All right, after they put their email address. All right, so this is the list I'm gonna use, but I suggest, you know, whatever product to put it in as a list name. Okay, and then after that, what you guys want to do is actually go right here, not conditions, but actions. We want to send out an email. All right, so all you guys gotta do is actually just set right here, make sure it's connected, and then create new email. All right, so after that, I'm gonna let this load up real quick. All right, what you guys want to do is actually go to day one of BioFit. This is gonna be your day one when people enter your email address. This is what they first gonna get. All right, day one BioFit. All right, now what we want to do is actually go back to ClickFunnels, because most of these products of Clickbank, they actually have some of these products actually have email swipes. For for you guys, so you guys don't even have to create emails. So what you guys want to do is actually go to, if they have an affiliate page, I suggest you guys check it out. So BioFit does have an affiliate page, so that's what we're gonna go check out right now. They have, I believe they have a lot of things that you guys can actually use. Yeah, they have, you know, if you guys want to know about the campaign informations, you know, stuff like that, like the audience files and stuff like that. You know, here's where you get your link. The email swipes, the ones we want, the manage videos, landing, you know, basically funnels, product images, authors picks and testimonials and articles, and a free ebook. If you guys want to actually give something away for free, they're actually giving you guys a free ebook to give away. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And what we want to do is actually go to email swipes. Alright, so as you can see here, they have about 20 email sequence, I believe, but I suggest for you guys to actually just send out 6. Alright, and after that you guys could resend out after 6, go to 7. Okay, so this is what we wanted to copy, so we just copied the subject line. Okay, and just go right here, and then after that, as you can see, it's already there. You guys already have the email. When you guys do email marketing, I suggest to actually get a real email, like a professional email for you guys, not gmail.com, because I feel like, well, most of the time what I tested out, that actually if you guys have a personal email address, that actually goes to the spam folder more. So I suggest to actually have a professional email address, and the cheapest one I believe is to go to GoDaddy.com and create one. I believe it's $25 for a whole year. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it's I believe it's around there. Alright, so after that, you guys put the subject line, go to design message. Alright, then what you guys want to do is actually, they already have pre-built designs, but we don't want those. I feel like they're too out there, and we don't really need all that much stuff, so I suggest just to go to a blank template. Alright, that's all we actually need, a blank template, and text. That's basically it, just all text. Alright, so let's take out the logos and stuff like that. We don't really need that. Don't show logo. Alright, and all you guys want to do is drag the text, and that's it. Alright, now what we want to do is actually go back here to email sequence and just copy everything. Alright, and that's it. It's going to copy every single thing, and all you guys got to do is paste it, and that's it. Or even copy the subject line, but we don't need that, we already put it there. Okay, and now there. Okay, and you can see here they already tell you where to put the link. So what you guys want to do is actually just take this off and put click here. Alright, and then what you guys want to do is actually go get your link from BioFit and Clickbank. So what you guys want to do is generate it, and my nickname is not there, I don't know why, so I'm gonna take it off real quick, put it on. Okay, and all you gotta do is copy and paste. Alright, so copy link, and then go back and just paste. Alright, so click on this little link right here, enter link, and then put it on the web on the link subject. Okay, and do it for all these. Alright, click here, and enter link. And do it here too. Well, actually right here, right here, just put your name. Alright, so what you guys want to do is just easily put your name, and that's it, and then link right here again. Click here. Alright, and then enter the link. That's pretty much it, and that's it. Alright, and then next. And that's pretty much it. And then save and finish. Alright. So after this, you guys actually want to add a new element and go to not conditions, actions, right? And click on wait a day. So after they open it or after they don't open it, you actually send out the second email, right? So that's what you guys want to do for 6 days in a row. Alright, so after that, you know, simple. So now what you guys want to do is actually create a new message. Alright, so this is gonna be day 2 of everything. So this is gonna be day 2. Just let it load up too. Biofit, alright. Like I said, keep it organized so you guys could check up your emails and stuff like that. All right, so what you guys want to do is actually go to the second email sequence and go right here, fun and effortless way to lose weight. All right, so copy paste. So I'm gonna go back, copy paste, and design new email. So, like I said again, we're just going to take this off. Simple text. Add text. And then go back here. And copy everything. Alright? That's all we want to do. Copy everything. Take this off. And then enter links on everything. Okay? Okay. Alright, and then go get the link from Biofit again from Clickbank. And just generate hop link and then copy and paste, and that's it. Alright. And then do it again here. And then do it again here. Alright. And then save. Well, go to next and then save. Alright. Save and finish. Now we have 2 emails. I'm not going to set all of them up, but you guys get the gist of everything. Alright, so just keep doing the same thing. Repeat it until you guys hit 6. And then after that, you guys want to wait 2 days to promote another product. Alright, but make sure it's in this health and fitness niche. So you guys, you guys could do that and you guys have your email list built. Alright, so after you guys actually finish that, all you guys want to do is actually click on save and publish. Alright, so now what we want to do is actually go to ClickFunnels. It's not integrated, so what it says right here is integrated, but it should be removed. But it's not integrated because it's not connected to anything. So what we want to do is actually set up this email sequence to this funnel. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to do that. Alright, what you guys want to do is actually go to account settings, and it's gonna take you to this page. Alright, so what you guys want to do is actually go all the way down to integrations, and what you guys want to do is actually integrate it with ClickFunnels. With Getresponse. So add new integration. Go to Getresponse, And then what you guys want to name your integration, I'm just gonna put biofit. Alright, and then what you guys want is actually to get the API key. Alright, so where you guys get this is go right here next to automations, these dots, and go to integrations and API. Alright, this is where you guys gonna get your API key. Alright, so go to API and then go to generate IP, then generate API key. Okay, go to biofit and then copy. Alright, now what we want is just to click here, paste, and add integrations, and that's pretty much it to add it. And now what we want to do is go back to the funnel. So I'm gonna fast forward this for you guys. Alright, so after you guys go back to the funnel, you guys want to go to settings and go to integrations. Like I said, it's not connected, but it says it is. So what you guys want to do is go back, click here to the one that you guys actually connected. Alright, add to campaign, and then add the list that you guys want to be submitted, the email to be submitted, and then all you guys gotta do is save. And that's it. So that's pretty much it. The next step is actually just to drive traffic to your funnel. I'm actually gonna do a video on that with the same funnel and show you guys how you guys can actually do that. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video. And if you guys want me to show you guys how to actually do this step by step, and how I actually show you guys how to promote other products for affiliate marketing, I do have a free affiliate marketing course. If you guys want to take advantage of it, just hit the link down below. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.